This next one, and the last one, sadly, is the song that started it all for us. So please, feel free to sing this one too. Love this one. This one is called Diet Pepsi. My boy's a winner, he loves the game. My lips reflect off his cross-gold chain. I like the way he's telling me my ass was good in these ripped blue jeans. Watching the red like cherries in the spring. Body's a work of what you'd die to see. I'm touched, XO, young, lust, when we drive in your car, on your baby. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. When we drive in your car, me baby. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. Break all the rules till we get caught. Fuck up the windows in the parking lot. Sexy, sitting on his lap, sipping Diet Pepsi. I write my name with lipstick on your chest. I leave a mark so you know I'm the best. I'm touched, XO, young, lust, when we drive in your car, I'm your baby. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. When we drive in your car, I'm your baby. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. Listen to my innocence in the backseat. When we drive in your car, I'm your baby. Losing all my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me.